Hi subscribers, hi viewers. As I continue my product sourcing and e-commerce journey in China, this week I was at the most influential auto aftermarket exhibition, which is the CIAACE, which is the biggest Beijing exhibition hall. There was a lot of products, and I'll be posting more content in relation to this visit. Here mainly this whole A2 was focused on products in relation to car cleaning, car washing. We are talking about machinery, equipment, accessories. These products, which have been supplied basically for commercial use and domestic use. Not only were there products, but there was also machinery and equipment for manufacturing purposes, to manufacture products in relation to car cleaning and car washing. As you are aware, as I traveled through the hall, we are seeing different products. I managed to get as well a lot of contacts, and I'll be visiting some of these manufactured and retailers and suppliers, factories and showrooms very soon. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, as I'll be posting more content in relation to this.